Today's date is September the 5th, 2012. I'm at 7407 Hoover, televising a sanitary sewer line from the 4-inch roof vent. I'm just outside of the house and the sewer line is badly broken. I cannot get past this point. I've already located where this is at so it can be dug up. It's underneath the back patio. As you can see, there's just a large hole here that the sewer line is dumping into. This will need to be dug up and repaired before we can go any further. Right here we're back inside of the pipe. This is the cast iron. I'm assuming that this is where the cast iron and the clay meet, just outside of the house. I'll continue to record as I come back. I'm now at the top of the roof vent. This will conclude the videotaping of this sewer.